iFlight Nazgul5 V2 Analog 240mm 5-inch 6S Freestyle FPV racing drone BNF/PNP RaceCam R1 cam BLITZ F7 E45S 45A ESC 2207 1800 kilovolt motor without receiver. Hi, welcome my friend. Nazgul5 V2 is a 5-inch size BNF bend-and-fly quadcopter. It is updated XL5 V5 FPV frames, pre-tuned and set up. Everything you need is just a bend and fly. Loads of power and smooth flights guaranteed using our popular Zing-E motors with long-lasting NSK bearings. Got a hard hit and snapped an arm? Don't worry, get some spares with your order and easy swap out in the field. Want to strap your GoPro on the beast as well? Check out our collection of high-quality TPU prints for your cam. VTX is set to 25 milliwatts by default. Power levels above 25 milliwatt requires a ham license or have to be approved by local authorities. Please ensure you're flying legal frequencies and use our prepared Betaflight VTX tables according to your region. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.